In this video, I'll show you the trades that we have taken during the live market mentoring session in the morning session. So as we discussed in the pre-market, the view was on, downside, sell on rise. And once the 20 MA is crossed, we changed that view and then it went on the upside. Even in fact, that trade I have updated already before. So here what I'll do is from the first trade onwards. So till 11 o'clock, we got 5 trades. Those 5 trades, and in one trade, I got 50 points. Another trade, I got 25 points. Third trade, I got 25 points. And then I got 30 points. And then I got 10 points. So this live trades is what you're going to watch here. So let me show you the screen here. Now, as we discussed, we got a gap down, right? So once we got the gap down, immediately I entered on the put and I got a big trade here. And then when I saw that this candle was taken out, we got another trade. So 20 points, another 20 points here. So here itself, we got 3 trades, 50 point, 25 point, 25 point, 100 point is covered here. Okay, with multiple entries, not just one entry, with multiple entries. And then once it came to 20 MA, I got a put trade. This trade I have already updated. And then when I saw that this is breaking, and I got a call trade also. So the only call trade that I got is during this area, right? Not anywhere here. We are not trying to capture the bottom when the market is falling. We don't want to catch the falling knife. Only here is where I got the call trade. So I'll attach all these trades so that you can watch and you can see how it has been implemented, how it has been taken during the live market, how we trailed, how we partially booked with 15 points, then 10 points, and trailed to 25 points. And in the first trade, how we got the 50 points, right? So this is what, and in the fourth trade, how we got the 30 points. So this is exactly what you're going to watch. And if you would like to join the live market mentoring program, you can get in touch with us. I shared the details in the description. You can contact our team and you can join the session. So see you there. Now it is coming to VWAP. I've added some at 190. 190 I have added. Stop loss is this candle. And then we will look for a proper up move. $200. Reduce some at 201. So now it is visible. Earlier it was not visible here. Reduce some at 205. Now stop loss can be the cost or just below VWAP. You can keep the stop loss. Yeah, entry is at 190, 200, 204. So what you can do is let it give a bounce now. Here or 1 minute or 3 minute time frame 20 MA you can look at. It will be days high, like days high. Yeah, if you look at the trade that we have taken, this one, we planned it and I told you this is the best price, the fair price. I'll get it at 155 and I placed a limit order right at 9:15:02, right at the market open, as we discussed. But I didn't realize that it got triggered. Akhil, it can be any because since it is EMA, future is better. 1 minute and 3 minute, because the EMAs are like dynamic. So when you look at dynamic support resistance, futures is better. And spot anyway we have here. So based on trading activity only we are placing this. So future is fine. Both will come anyway. 20 mm means both will be almost closer. If you keep 1 minute and 3 minute, there won't be much difference. It is 210 now. 20 points. Yeah. Why did I enter? Because it came close to VWAP here. Now 210, which is 20 points, which is good. This one also bounced to close to VWAP. 211. Let's see if we get to 15, it will be good. 25 points. To 14.8. Some of you from our group might have given before 215. I got 215, guys. I'm done with that trade. That's also perfect one. 190, 200, 204, 215. Yeah, but many in our group also got that order. They placed along with me 155. But what happened is they booked the profit at 175, 185, 180 levels in that first candle itself. But I couldn't see that my order triggered here. So that's why I'm able to hold till that 200. Or you can say 200 I've exited at cost. This one is 155, I got 40 points. And no one, not me also, everyone who's watching the video also, they thought that it is not triggered, right? No one have noticed this. Everyone thought this would be pending because you're not seeing it here. And we were not keeping any other different strike price chart, the same strike price chart only. It is not reflecting here. So yeah, they keep breaking that low and correct down structure. So ideally, this should be the level, this low as the next level. Can go down further. IT is also slipping now. If IT is also coming down, then it can fall further. Yeah, we got an exit at 215. Now the price is at 199. I've added some more at 197. Yeah, I can take some more risk now because we are from the profit now. Fresh entries should be at this 20 EMA or VWAP. Looks like they can make a move to VWAP and rejection possible, and they can fill the gap. So what I'm looking for is not this gap, at least this level can be touched. Yeah, world market negativity also, if you see. But don't enter here. If you enter here, in case if there is a bounce which is coming, then you will be in trouble. If you're looking for a fresh entry. If you've already made an entry and made profit, then it's fine. My entry 197. VIX is rising, VIX is 6%, which is not good. So VIX is rising means fear is there. 207. I'll reduce some at 208. Half I reduced at 208. Rest we'll see, will hold. There's nothing to lose. Maybe you can keep that as a cost as a stop loss, but I'll be holding this. Yeah, so this one we took an entry at 200, sorry, 190. We got till 215, which is 25 points. Now this one, we already got some 11 points, 130 left. Yeah, let's hold this. Nothing much. Just got stuck there. Just see red candle, a kind of green candle. Red, green, red, green. Let's see if this is going to be red. Then each of these red candles are breaking the previous low also. There's a red candle. This red candle is breaking this low. This one is breaking this low. So if this red candle is also breaking this low, we'll get around 220 in this. Okay. Sanjay, if you join late, these are the trades. to 12. Again to 15. Reduce sum at 216. So as discussed, similar, right? This one is breaking this low, similar pattern now. This one is breaking, so we'll get 220 is what I discussed, and it's 220 now. It can go even bigger also, the way the structure is. Now even IT is also coming down. Yeah, let's see if we get 222. Just 65 only. Nothing to lose in this again. As if you look at this trade, we already got at 197 and almost 20 points we got. Right? If we get this, that will be beautiful. The issue is we are not able to add more quantity now because already it's a big gap down, right? And then it is just going down. So we cannot take that big risk. We can only take small quantity, small risk. So that is why here this scenario position sizing is more important. But if I'm getting at around this level, I'll go at maximum quantity. I'll go aggressively. If I'm getting it at a best mean price, that's what 20 EMA for me. That's the mean price of this entire move. So there I'll go with more quantity. Here I need to adjust my positions, reduce my risk. And instead of, see, I cannot, it is very difficult to get 50 points in a stretch, but 192 to 15, I got 25 points. 197 to, here also now 217. Another 20 points we already got. In two trades, we got that 45 points already. And here, if you see, this trade already gave me 50 points. So overall, if you see, we captured almost 100 points. Yeah, it's now 220. 220 is what we discussed. It came to 220. I've given 222 anyway. Let's see. That candle is red. Now, if the pattern repeats, there can be a small green. Yeah, I got 222. So we are out of this trade. So this trade also from 197 to 222, this is 25 points. This is 200 to 215. Sorry, 190 to 250. This is also 25 points. So it's not necessary you need to get 50 points in a stretch. It is impossible, right? If we need to go to 50 points, I have to hold from 190 to 240. I did not came. It may have a lot of risk also. But 190 to 215 and then re-entry at 197 to 222. So you already got 50 points. And here also you got 50 points. Now 100 points done. But did this move 100 points? No. But did we got 100 points? Yes. I'm not aware whether there is any news or not, but 20 MA is what I'm looking for. Okay. Entries are here 173, 173, 167. Looks like something is there. Added some more at 161. Let's see if 20 EMA is taken out and give a close. Then there can be something which we don't know. So we'll have to exit. Yeah, right now this is the right level, 20 EMA. Yeah, those who are looking for 20 EMA entry, this is the area. Keeping 10 points stop loss, maybe 150 can be your stop loss. Yeah, something which we don't know. Maybe there, in that case, what will get us will get a day's high and will get a candle close also above 20 MA. That itself will tell us to exit and then we'll exit. Though we won't enter on a call trade, but we'll exit this trade. This is nothing. This is just 20 MA trade. I'm not aware why this up move and all. I'm looking for a bounce. I got the bounce. If it is related to the news, then I'll get an exit above 20 MA. But that entry we exited at cost also. See, around cost. I wanted to exit at 195, but I got it at 189 and then re-entered at these levels. Good reversal again. Yeah, big recovery in Reliance. Yeah, 20 MA trade is what we have. 10-point stop loss. If you have taken at 159, 160 level, 150 will be your stop loss. We'll reduce some quantity at 168. We'll keep this. That's fine. They were waiting for our exit, no? 175. Reduce some more at 176. Yeah, those who have taken at 20 MA, you got your trade, guys. 160 to 175. It's 180 now. Reduce at 180. So I just want to know how many of you took 20 MA trade? Only 20 MA trade. Those who have taken other trades, I know definitely you would have taken 20 MA. But only 20 MA, how many of you have taken? Yeah, now from 20 MA, you got the rejection. It is taking support at VWAP. We don't know. What we can do is we can keep 160 as a stop loss, similar to what we did before here. Very good, Chedu. But why morning unnecessary trades? We were not taken any unnecessary trades today. No random trades, nothing. All the trades that we took today are in profits. Even this one, which we got trapped also, right? Even this one, this is the only one, but that also we booked at 210, 205, 203 levels. And then we almost booked at cost only. So 20 MA, guys, that's done, right? Look at all the trades taken today. There is no losing trade. This is a winning trade. This is a winning trade. This one, 25 points. This one, 25 points. This one almost 15, 20 points we got from 190 to 210. Then few quantity, 130. We had to take trailing stop loss, which is again close to cost, 192 and 189. There is nothing we lost there. In fact, we booked majority in profit. 260, 260, 130 we booked. Just 130 is what we had to take the cost. Now again, it's 180, guys. So here we got at 160. That is a 20 MA. When those have taken here, it is 160. Now it is 180. So I'll reduce some more at 182. I'll keep this 195 now. And for that, if they come to VWAP, that will be best price for me. That is 191. So I'll do one thing. I'll give this price 189, which is close to the VWAP. $186. Come on. So even this also turned out to be a 30-point trade if you have taken entry at 20 EMA. That's the power of patience. Those I know many of you who waited for that 20 EMA, but many wanted to wait, but because of FOMO, they took unnecessary trades. And that FOMO is your biggest enemy. Look at this 189, which means 160 to 190. This is a 30-point trade. Still, I have 65 quantity. $95. You can keep a trailing stop loss now because VWAP may get rejected, or you can exit here. That's your choice because no damage is going to be done with the 65. But the reversal is also sharp, 182. Perfect from VWAP. See, again, we got the top. 189 I got it. Went to 192. Right? So this I will exit now. 173. Similar kind of candle is coming. Taken this call at 130. Now got rejected. Yeah, put I have exited now. Again, they are trying to come. So I've tried. We'll keep 118 as the stop loss for this. Yeah, 118 will be the stop loss for this. I did more at 125. Somehow they're trying to bounce. Reliance is also bouncing. No, after this, I won't try call because again, they're trying to bounce. So I'm just trying. Ideally, about 20 MA we should do, but looking at the way sudden reversals are coming, that is why. $32. Reduce some here at 133. So yeah, I've taken this small call trade. That also gave me small profit. We'll reduce some more at 135. I'm giving 139. Let's see if we get it. Call was not there in my picture, but the way they gave up, see this candle suddenly, it was, yeah, I got 139. Wow. So suddenly this came like this and it was moving up, and from here it gave like this. So then I thought, otherwise I never had a plan. Even I discussed that we are not looking at call, but then I had to switch suddenly, and that is why at least small profit I got. Otherwise, we traded only puts. If you look at all these 35 orders, just this last one is the call, right? Almost 1 or 2 hours, we were only looking at the put side. But then when I see this kind of setup, I had to shift. Look at this 145 now. No, again 20 MA, I'm not attempting. I'm done.